Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in RingCentral, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in RingCentral, start by understanding what the company does. RingCentral is a cloud-based communications and collaboration platform. Research the company's financial performance by reviewing its latest earnings reports. Check out key metrics such as revenue growth, profitability, and cash flow. Analyze market trends related to cloud communications and collaboration. Conduct a SWOT analysis to evaluate RingCentral's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that offers access to U.S. stocks. Ensure the brokerage has a user-friendly platform and reasonable fees. Deposit funds into your brokerage account to prepare for the investment. Search for RingCentral's stock ticker, which is RNG. Review the current stock price and historical performance chart. Consider the timing of your investment based on market conditions. Decide how much you want to invest in RingCentral. Place a market order if you want to buy at the current price, or a limit order if you want to set a specific price. Monitor your investment regularly to stay updated on its performance. Read news articles and analyst reports to understand market sentiment. Reassess your investment strategy periodically based on the company's performance and market trends. Consider setting price targets for selling your shares to realize profits. Stay informed about upcoming earnings reports or significant announcements from RingCentral. Evaluate whether to hold, sell, or buy more shares based on your analysis. Remember to diversify your portfolio to mitigate risks associated with investing in a single stock. Keep long-term goals in mind while navigating the stock market. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.